Did you ever pause and think, like, if you had to start over your money making journey, what business should you pick? For me, it's faceless channels, and this is a no-brainer. And in this video, you are going to understand why. So we'll be covering step by step how to create your faceless channel, different ways to profit from your channel since day one, and ninja hack to know if a channel is monetized or not when checking on your competition, find niches super easy to rank, and how to create super viral YouTube videos in a few minutes with AI. So get ready to take a lot of notes. If the video is slow, watch it 2x. If it is fast, watch it like 0.5x, and let's dive into it. By the way, before moving any further, you can grab my free AI Cashflow Powerhouse. It's like 28 AI tools that every digital marketer must have. You're gonna find the link in the description, and let's get into the serious stuff. Okay guys, check this out. So here is our example, Retire Rich, and it's like 24 videos, and the oldest one is 5 months ago, and it's already like, if we check here on vidIQ, 3 million views, what is insane. Almost going to the 4 million and growing exponentially. And it's making between 200 to 3,000, almost 4,000 per month, what is insane in 5 months. Another one, Trip to Wealth, 62,000 subscribers. And like if we check, like the oldest is 6 months ago, and again if we check the stats, it's almost like 3 million views and just 110 videos that are very easy to make. I'm going to show you how to do the whole thing. And if we check, like it's also making around 3,800. And here is our very last example. First, self-educate, what is very accurate, 27 videos, and it's just started in May, like just recently, and like they are crushing the game. If you check this, they are already making money. So you can, like, since day one, start making money and monetizing your faceless channel with Koji. And by the way, I've made a Google Doc with all the resources, the prompts, and everything that is in this video, so you can find it in the description. Okay, now let's validate the idea, and like let me show you the whole process. So first we select this as a keyword, like it's going to be the starting point, and middle class money traps, and we see like it's got 59 on vidIQ, and we see that there is tiny channels that are already ranking, like 3,000 subscribers and 176. So now I ask ChatGPT to suggest 10 names for our YouTube channel, and like the prompt, you are going to find it with in the Google Doc with all the rest. I think I'm going to go with Wealthwise. It sounds good. And now we ask to write a video script, and voila, here is our video script. We check on word counter to see like how many words we got, and ChatGPT is not all the time accurate. We need around 800, and this is what we got in here, 800. If you're enjoying the content so far and want more stuff like that, comment AI Cashflow and let's make it happen. And if you're new around, make sure to subscribe and tick that bell button so you can stay in the loop whenever I drop some new videos. Alright, so now that we have the script ready, let's make the video. And for this, we're gonna go with Pictory. Like, you have 3 video projects on the free version, otherwise you can go with the paid one. And like, for example, the premium, it's like 39 bucks and you have 60 videos. I used to pay like 50 bucks for one video early last year. So definitely a steal, or like just the standard one, just to get the machine rolling. And this is like my favorite. There's also in video and Fleeky and others, but like this is my go-to, and this is like the one we're gonna check in this video. So we put our script, and then we ask it to create the scenes, and we proceed. then we have to choose the template, and they have a lot of good templates and that you can customize later, like in the process. Like this is just like a base model to go with. So we let Pictory create like the storyboard, and like they already have almost like a pre-made template. What we need to do is, like, when there is some long sentences, we cut this so we don't have like very long scenes, and we check, like, for example, this one, we change it, like we reduce like the size of the sentence. Then after this, once we are all set, we can change like the scenes, and it's very straightforward. Like you find the scene, and they already suggest, like, once you click, you have scenes related to the keywords that are in the sentence. So you click on live in, and you're gonna see like people live in and stuff, and then you select the ones that work best for you. And like they have a massive library, like full of stock videos, and really good ones. So financial, we look and we check like which one works better. Like always we try to focus on some very high quality images, videos. Then you can change the subtitle, like the color and stuff. Like everything is customizable, and you can apply it to all the scenes at once. Okay, so once we are happy with all the scenes, we move to the next step, that is the voiceover. And like Pictory got a lot of voiceovers that you can use, so no need for using like a third-party app or something.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
So for this one, we're gonna go with Matthew. It's the one that like I use for this type of videos, and like it sounds quite human. You can add the speed, like make it speak fast or slow, and you can also edit the background music and everything. For this, I keep always the background around 4%, so like it doesn't disturb the viewer. And also you make it like high quality and landscape, and voila, like the whole work is done.
You're hardworking, educated, and you've always followed the rules. But sometimes, it feels like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Could it be that some of your habits are trapping you in this cycle?
Okay, now that the video is ready, let's create the channel, and we start with making the logo and the header. For this, we're gonna use Canva, and they have, like, this is the free version, and you have a lot of templates. So for you, just check the ones that are free, and there you go. So we're gonna go with this one. So as YouTube background is white, it's always good having like some high contrast pictures and colors, so you grab the attention. So I believe we are going to go with yellow and blue. And then the next step that we have, we download this and we create the header. And for this, we just use like the logo, we tweak a bit the colors, and everything is free. Like this is like everyone can become a ninja designer very fast. We add the subscribe button, and voila, the header is ready. We download it, we center it a bit, and we download the thing. Weekly videos, so people know what to expect. And there we go, let's create the channel. Okay, now let's create our channel. This is like by far the easiest step, and people overthink it. Creating the channel. I'm hiding like there is some of my faceless channels there. So we put the name that ChatGPT gave us, Wetwise, and we hit create. And then the next step is uploading our branding. So our sexy logo and our banner. Try to adjust it and stuff, and then we upload also the video watermark, and voila, publish, and your channel is published and up and running. So to know if a video or a YouTube channel is monetized or not, there is multiple ways, and here is one of them. So you go to the page of the video or the channel, you go to three dots, then you go to the developer tool, you look for monetization enabled. When it is true, it means yes. And here's another example, the value is false, it means no, but other videos are monetized. And this is, by the way, a very tiny channel that exploded, and they are monetizing with other ways, Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and making a lot of money, 26 million views. So guys, as you might notice, like with faceless channels, the limit is the sky, and like there is tons of ways to make money. And for those of you who want to go further and want more, you can join my program AI Cashflow, where you get a no-brainer framework to pick super profitable niches, how to find like the right niche, how to monetize on steroid your YouTube channel, how to 10x the potential of each video. And the students got the mind boggled with the strategies because it's very outside the box and not the stuff that you're gonna find on YouTube. And so I'm not sure when you are watching this video, but like if you watched it right after it's published, I'm doing a mega discount for 300 off. So if you are watching it on time, then you know what you got to do, take action. Like AI Cashflow is the program I wish I had when I started my faceless channel journey. It's really massive. So yeah, there you go. And now let's pick the winner from the last giveaway. Pick a winner, and the winner is Jenny OK. So Jenny OK, please reach out. If you like this video, I believe you're gonna like this one too. So see you in the next one. Cheers.
This is the real deal, this is the Ideal Math Show. Follow me and I will help you build up real cash flow. Teach you all of my techniques and give you skills to